Hello friends, this is my first video with audio. I hope it's going to be more helpful. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute lemon slices. In this video I'm using size 10 crochet thread in 4 colors and 1.25mm hook. Let's get started. First, make a magic circle. Chain 3, then make a double crochet but only pull through one loop the first time. Then make one more double crochet like this. This is counted as the first double crochet group. Chain 1, then 3 double crochet. Continue make 3 double crochet group and chain 1 until you have 6 3 double crochet groups and 6 chain 1 space. At the end of the round, slip stitch to the top chain of the first chain 3. Now you can cut your thread, and we're going to join the second color. Join white color in the middle double crochet of any 3 double crochet group. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, make a tall single crochet over the chain 1 space. Single crochet in the next 3 double crochet. Make a tall single crochet over the next chain 1 space. Continue make 3 single crochet and 1 tall single crochet until the end of the round. Now at the end, join the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Cut the thread. Now it's time to join the third color, the darker green color. You can join at any single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet in each of the red stitches. Again, at the end of the round, join the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Now the last round, join the lemon color in any single crochet. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, this makes the first corner. Half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, so each side includes 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and the chain 3 at each corner. Connect the sides. Continue the pattern and finish the rest of the round. Here at the end of the round, make 1 more single crochet and slip stitch in the first single crochet. Here we go. The finished lemon slice look like this. You can make them into earrings or use as decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video and helped you a little bit. I'll see you in the next video.